Hey there, my friend and fellow traders. Will here with FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. So, as you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be doing some live trading. Well, it's not live trading. I've actually just placed a trade within the past 20 minutes, and it was on the Kiwi dollar CAD. Okay, this video was all about the new Forex Pro dashboard, where we can instantly analyze the whole Forex market in a glance, allowing us really to get the best possible day trades there is out there. Okay, so this trade was on the Kiwi CAD. Both dashboards were flashing red a few minutes ago. Kiwi CAD was up in the high 700s on the stochastic dashboard. By the way, if you want to know what I'm talking about here, the stochastic dashboard will add up all the totals across all the time frames and give an overall total in the last column here. Okay, so we preferably want the number to be over 600 and below 200 when looking for a buy, and above 600 when looking for a sell. On the stochastic one, the really extreme is up around the 700 area. The Kiwi CAD was up there not long ago. And on the RSI dashboard, you want it preferably above 600 or approaching 600, which it was not too long ago. So the trade was, this is it here, okay? We just flick out to the higher time frames, especially in the daily because we're day trading here. You can see we have run into some resistance here several times. So this was looking very nice for a scalp, especially a day trade. Stop loss just above here. And you can see all we're waiting for was a divergence signal to happen on one of the time frames. Okay. And you can see where we're getting them here on the 1 hour chart. Although the indicator didn't give the divergence here, it popped up and created a new high. So this technically, if you know how to read the market, this is what you call a divergence. When the indicator is popping down and the price is making a new high, it's what we call a bearish divergence. And you can see it's been dropping nicely since really about my entry, which was about here. So it's dropping nicely. I'm liking this trade today to continue down. I'll probably maybe hold this over the weekend or see how far it drops tonight. But it's a great trade thanks to the Forex Pro dashboard. Very unique indicator. And as you see, I will be posting videos daily of trades that I'm taking using it. The Kiwi CAD's probably been the only trade that's been worthwhile today. Also, sorry, there was one other. It was on the USD Swiss franc. Okay, and you can see I'm in this trade at the minute. Okay, I've just I traded the wrong trade size on that trade, so I had to enter twice. You can see 0.1 and 0.3, so all good. Okay, so that's the trade. 2 trades a minute at the minute, the USD Swiss franc and the Kiwi CAD. Okay, you can see we've got a bit of resistance here on the USD Swiss franc. We're coming into a long leg up here, so I'm expecting this to drop at least down to this low anyway, so maybe get 20-30 pips on it. So good trade. Everything lines up. Dashboard was flashing red, and nothing really in the pipeline at the minute. Okay, after those two. So thanks for watching. If you want to access the Forex Pro, it is an offer at the minute. Simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know. Will at FXAce.com. And as always, happy trading. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.